Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of this video, we will discuss about Kishu INU and who also they have implemented like you can purchase gold and diamond with the help of Kishu INU, and also they were making their advertisement very much seriously on their strategy, and we will discuss about what is the coin price right now and what are the exchange going to publish sooner. Let's discuss this, guys. See, this video has been recently published. This is an animation like Kishu Ainu and Doji both are in competition to reach the moon. And in middle, you can see Kishu Ainu activated the hyperdrive, where this one is going to reach the moon very much soon. See, this kind of advertisement they are posting right now, guys. And they have started a campaign like to list the coin base. They were requesting for hard push. That is why they were they created this petition, out of which 5,000 already, 3,366 see 3,000 337 38 39, it is keep on increasing. You also can sign the petition right now, guys, to support the Kishu INU. It will be helpful to list the coin base as a hard post. And their official brand ambassador is Ronaldinho, which is really great at this point of time, who is supporting this kind, and they are really doing great work right now. And as part of advertisement, you can see in New York Times Square they have made an advertisement about Kishu INU. They are promoting this coin very much seriously, guys. This is unlike other undervalued coins. This one has a real good potential to grow in future, so don't very much underestimate this one right now. And speaking about real-time payment, Peter Marcus is one of the leading gold and diamond seller, whereas they were accepting Kishu INU as their payment, and they were also providing 10% instant discount whomever buying with the help of Kishu INU. So this is a very much great news comparatively with the other coins, guys. See, they were doing all these kind of advertisement and real-time purchase with the help of Kishu INU. You can see it is very much undervalued kind. This is we can promise, like even I can promise in future, if you are holding, if you are purchasing right now and holding for some years, it will be like you will be getting very much very huge profit, guys. See, after the decimal point in dollar, you can find nearly seven zeros. You have, see, right now due to market crash, the tissue price also has dropped very much. See, it has gone up to this much and then reduced right now here at the bottom till the ground level. This is the good time to invest in Kishu INU, guys. You will never get no worry once after you invest in this Kishu INU, guys. Also, you can check the trending. It is coming in top 10, which is on which is keep on trending, guys. That is why this is coming in the trending list. Also, it is in below 10. Also, the Kishu INU team is setting target by target, and they are accomplishing without any kind of issue. Like while making this video, they have posted this tweet, like they are going to launch Kishu Swag pre-sale website during this week. Also, they are going to continue to create NFT platform development, guys. Guys, since it is very much undervalued kind, I request you all to purchase this kind right now itself, since they were launching their platform in real-time products as well. Since this product price will go in, it will keep on increase, guys. So don't hesitate to purchase this kind. Please invest some amount in this kind, and you will get a lot of kind right now for even $1, guys. So keep on purchase, and you don't never sell this kind of kind. It will be like future kinds you hold for several years, and later you can sell for with a huge you can sell with a huge profit. Thank you guys. In case if you want me to take any analysis on any other coins, please do the comment and subscribe for putting more videos, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your support.